In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your brand new lawnmower for the first time. Let's jump right in with the unboxing and I'll show you how to set this lawnmower up. Now that we have the lawnmower unboxed, we've got a couple items here. You've got your grass collection bag, which we're going to put that aside. You've got the shroud for the grass. If you're not going to use the collection bag, this will let the grass shoot out. We use the bag, so we're going to put this aside. We won't need this part. The final item we're going to have is a bag with 4 attachments for the handle. Let's take off all the plastic and we'll get the lawnmower set up. Now that we have everything unwrapped, we're going to start with this arm here. You've got the 2 posts on each side. That post is going to mount in here and in here. And then we're going to use those screws that we have to secure it. You can do an adjustment depending how high up you want it. I'm just going to start with mine right in the middle. So like I said, you're going to start by securing in the 2 posts. So we're going to leave these kind of hand tight at the moment until we get the other portion on. Now that we're ready to do the top one, you'll want to make sure you have the cord on the inside and on the sides here. It's beveled to fit on the side of the existing bar. We're going to feed through again. Now that we have the 2 arms connected, we're just going to make sure that we're tight on each end and we're happy with the position. If you need to, you can adjust to the top or the bottom depending on your height. We're now going to position the starting cable up here on the handle. So I'm just going to pull it forward now. And we've mounted it here. So now it's just in an upper position. Now that we've got the handle and the starting cable mounted, we're going to secure the brake cable. I wasn't supplied with any zip ties, so I just have a standard couple zip ties with me. So I'm just going to hit it on the handle here so it stays secured. Now that we've got all the cables, the handle set up, we're ready to add the oil in. Now that we're ready to add oil, on the opposite side of the lawnmower, you're going to have this tag here. It'll tell you what type of oil you need, but when you look through your owner's manual, it's going to give you some options sometimes. Mine recommended 1030 if I'm going to be going below 4 degrees Celsius. I'm not, so the other option is SA30. You will need a funnel. If not, you'll end up spilling oil all over the side. You can pop out the dipstick. We'll place that aside. My owner's manual says I need 0.5 liters, so it's going to be half of this jug here. So even though I know it's calling for half the container, I'm still going to go slow, and I'm still going to use the dipstick to check the level manually. So you'll want to take your time. Make sure you're not spilling any out on the side of the lawnmower. When you remove the funnel, you want to make sure you're catching any of the oil that's in there. You can now insert the dipstick fully, remove it, and clean it off quick, and we'll do that one more time. And we'll check the level here. So I can add a little bit more. So the way it works is when you're checking, you'll want to see where you're reading here on the dipstick. So generally, the second dot is your full line. That should be good for me. And I'm on my full line. So one of the last things you'll need to do is attach the grass bag or the side option here. Because we're not using the side option and we're using the grass bag, you'll lift the arm up here, attach it, and release. So now that we've got all the cables connected, the bag's attached, and we have oil, we can throw in some gas. So I'm just going to throw in a bit of gas for the first start. And that'll be enough to get the first start up. And now that we're ready for the first startup, we're going to apply the brake. And just like that, we've set up our brand new Yardworks lawnmower. If you found this content useful or you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.